so much tension. So I'm gonna work it with my hand first and then squeegee it. Left to pocket, add some of that stick solution, work with my hand, nice overlapping squeegees. It goes in there like it wants to be there. I didn't over stretch it. If you do on the edges, you'll end up with starring. Hey buddy, I know you got this. So just light stretches, nice overlapping squeegees. I'm coming over here, relieving the tension. Stick solution. I like it there. Especially on this type of vehicle, I like to do it in bulk. Pre-kit with all of the stretching would be a little bit difficult. Relieve some tension here in the center. Get it nice and squeegeed. No stretch marks, no water left behind. Now I'm coming to this side. Now I'm at the driver's side. I do the same thing. I'm gonna peel it back up, throw some stick solution up under there. My bad, slip solution. I give it kind of the same tug. So I end up in the same place on the fender. Looks similar. I come back over here. Nice, small, overlapping squeegees. Yep, nice small overlapping squeegees, huh, Henry? Yep. All right, stick solution up under, slip solution on top. Same thing, the little tug. If you over tug it in any direction, you'll end up fighting with edges here. So just gotta be patient with the material. Again, we're here, rubbing it down with my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some stick and hit it with my hand. Just kind of stretching it out. Get it to lay. Come back over. Now I'm gonna release it. Any tension, just like I did on the other side. The product I'm using right now is Legend. I like it. I've been using it 2 years. I've used a lot of products. There are a lot of great products out there. Legend is fairly new to the scene as far as their PPF, but it lays good, it looks good, and it gives the same industry warranty as everyone else. 10-year, 12-year. I know there's a new product out that gives a lifetime warranty. I've been doing this 22 years. I remember when 3M said they gave a lifetime warranty. About 5 years in, they changed their mind. So this is done. I'm gonna trim this. Got some overlap. Let me wipe it down so you can get a nice look over it. Just a microfiber, nothing special. Can look at the edges. I'll get me a light. Get up close. No stretch marks on the edge there. You know, it laid. No stretches down in there. Over across the center. I know you see all the little dots, but again, this is a 2020. I touched it up, so it had some pits. But yeah, you know, here's laying good. There's no stretch marks here. Laid out pretty flat. And there's a secret I'm gonna give you guys. You go over to the sink, fill it up with hot water. Doesn't need to be boiling. It'll help the material relax. Again, you know, a self-healing material. It'll also help our little hairline scratches to kind of curve in. And I literally just take it, drop it over the top. Once it's installed, before I wrap it, and then I can show you its self-healing properties just by doing that. You know, you see it glasses out. A lot of time when you're done with this product, it ends up looking better than the factory paint. That's it for now. Clear cut window tinting, Aurora, Colorado. Check this out. Like, share, subscribe, follow, Instagram, Clear Cut Window Tinting on Facebook. I'll leave a link at the bottom. You agree?